In the name of God, I would like to take the oath that with the respected religion of Islam, to obey the respected religion of Islam, the Constitution and other laws to be observed, and I shall take care of that. The independence, national sovereignty, territorial integrity, I shall support them all. With laws and the interest of people, I shall protect and secure. And seeking the Almighty's assistance to look after these issues. And then to carry out the task in the direction of progress with success.
ومن الله التوفيق.